What if I told you that a simple tweak to your Pinterest strategy could skyrocket your visibility and transform your affiliate income almost overnight? In this video, I'm revealing the secrets of Pinterest SEO that the pros don't want you to know, strategies so effective that they could leave your competition in the dust. Stay tuned, because missing this could mean leaving money on the table. Step 1. Mastering keyword research is the cornerstone of an effective Pinterest SEO strategy. To start, you need to grasp how Pinterest's search algorithm works. Unlike other platforms, Pinterest functions as a visual search engine, meaning users actively search for ideas and inspiration. This gives you the opportunity to leverage keywords effectively in your content. Begin by brainstorming a list of phrases related to your niche. What are your ideal viewers searching for? Use Pinterest's search bar to uncover suggestions. As you type, you'll see popular terms that users frequently look up. These auto-suggestions are gold mines for high-performing keywords. Take note of these, as they represent exactly what your audience wants to see. Next, expand your research by using tools like Pinterest Trends, Google Keyword Planner, or even keyword research tools like Ahrefs. These platforms can show you search volumes and trends over time, helping you identify which keywords are gaining popularity. Once you have your list, it's essential to refine it. Focus on keywords that match your content, but also have a balance of popularity and competition. Aim for those terms that are trending, but not overly saturated. Finally, incorporate your keywords seamlessly into your profile description, board title, and pinned descriptions. Keep the language natural and engaging. This isn't just about stuffing keywords, but crafting compelling content that captures attention. By doing this, you'll not only increase your visibility, but also connect with the right audience. Have you identified keywords that resonate with your niche? What strategies will you implement to optimize your Pinterest presence? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Step 2. Crafting effective pin descriptions is essential for capturing attention and boosting your content searchability on Pinterest. Start by thinking of your pin description as a mini advertisement. It should be enticing and provide an overview of what viewers can expect when they click through. Use clear, concise language that aligns with your brand voice to create a connection with your audience. When you write your description, make sure to seamlessly integrate the keywords you gathered during your research. This not only enhances your pin's visibility, but also helps potential viewers understand exactly what your content is about. For instance, instead of merely stating, "This is a healthy recipe, consider a more engaging approach like," discover how to whip up this delicious and nutritious smoothie that will energize your mornings. This technique not only includes the relevant keyword, but also paints a picture of the benefit they will receive. Another tip is to incorporate engaging calls to action. Phrases like "click through for the full recipe" or "learn more about these tips for better home organization" encourage users to interact with your pins. Remember, the goal is to invite your audience in and make them excited to learn more. Finally, don't overlook the power of storytelling. Briefly sharing a personal anecdote or a benefit that resonates with your audience can create a bond and enhance their interest. Think about how your content answers a problem or enhances a part of their life. Reflect that in your descriptions. Now, as you start drafting your pin description, consider this. What story can you tell that will make your audience feel like they can't miss out on your content? Step 3. When optimizing your Pinterest boards for affiliate marketing, the first step is to think strategically about how to organize your boards. Group similar topics together to create a cohesive browsing experience for your viewers. This makes it simpler for them to find what they're interested in, leading to longer engagement times on your profile. Next, focus on your board titles. Use clear, keyword-rich phrases that not only describe the content, but also attract search traffic. Instead of general titles like recipes or fashion, consider more specific options such as healthy smoothie recipes for quick mornings or must-have summer fashion trends. These kinds of titles not only inform your audience, but can also boost your visibility in Pinterest searches. Don't forget to optimize your board descriptions. This is where you can elaborate on what users can expect when they click through. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally to improve SEO, but also share a compelling reason for why viewers will want to visit your boards. Finally, keep your content fresh by regularly updating your boards with new pins and removing any that no longer fit your brand or strategy. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to Pinterest that your content is active, boosting your chances of being discovered. Are you currently using Pinterest boards for affiliate marketing? And how do you plan to enhance your strategy?